Doctor, how can people access the Disclosure Project Intelligence Archive? And is that same website where they can also contribute to the crowdfunding campaign? What are the details to jump on there?
Yeah, if you go to dpiarchiveproject.com, that's the crowdfunding, and it'll take you also to the actual archive. And you can just go to drstephengreer.com if you want to find out about that, and also this event we're doing out in California, which actually, if you can't be there in person, I think they're out of 500 places. I think there are only 30 left, but I wish you could come. You'd have a great time.
Yeah, I saw some ads for it on your site. It looked pretty cool.
It's going to be fun. So that's how people can do that. And the archive itself is dpiarchive.com. And dpiarchive.com will take you directly. Now, you do have to register. What happened is that we had to put in an authentication. We put your email in. You can make up one. But the reason for that is that when we launched this, we had tens of thousands of bots attack the site. Literally. No one had seen anything like it. The developers were going, what is this? And I had warned them it would happen. But yet we went under immediate attack by thousands of bots.
Yeah, same thing happened to us when we published our episodes back in 2020.
I'm sure.
And when they took the media off YouTube, we put it on our website and it got attacked as well. So I understand why you're doing that. Because I got to the login page and I was like, oh, that's kind of a pain. Now it makes sense why you did that. Dr. Greer, it's a huge deal that you were able to put this online, and it's a huge, I mean, that's a massive accomplishment. And the fact that people can literally go and look through that data and peruse it, and it's all there, or at least so much of it is there. That's a huge step. So congratulations for that. And as usual, I find it really fascinating talking to you. People really seem to enjoy your perspective. And I think a lot of people need to really start opening their eyes and also not cling to their science, because as you said, a great scientist is always questioning things. If you look 100 years ago or 200 years ago or 1,000 years ago, those scientists would be flabbergasted by what science is today. What makes a good scientist is that we don't know things, and that's how we can discover new things. And so I know, and I've had exposure to that academia at MIT, and I know how these people cling to the science. They're blinded by the science. It's the scientism. It's like a religion because it defines everything that they are. It defines their identity, their funding, their everything. And they, like you said, we're flawed as humans. And so it's important for everyone to understand that. So thank you so much. Yeah. I look forward to these conversations.
Thank you.
And maybe I'll make it out for one of your Close Encounters of the Fifth Kind events in the future. That would be excellent.
It'd be great fun. Yep. All right. Thank you so much, Brian. Appreciate it.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public. And he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast. It's going to be bloody. It's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator, by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.